Vibe coding has given AI assisted engineering like a really bad name for some reason. So we're here today to go over like what's the difference between vibe coding and AI assisted engineering and talk about is one of them bad or not. All right, let's dive in. All right, so first we're going to talk about like what is vibe coding? Vibe coding. All right. So vibe coding. And what is AI assisted? Wow, I can't spell assisted. No, assisted engineering. Vibe coding is literally coding without a plan. Period. That's what vibe coding is. Not giving a flying fluff what your code base even looks like. Couldn't care. Couldn't care less. Because the whole point of vibe coding is the journey. It's chilling, it's vibing, it's getting something out of it, whatever that may be. So, this is like the main point here. The main purpose of vibe coding is the output, the art, the end. It's just getting to a state of working, whatever it is you're trying to build. Period. All right, so what is AI assist engineering? Because, like we said, vibe coding has been giving it a terrible name, even though using AI in your engineering flow is chef's kiss. So, the goal of AI assist engineering is to ship software faster. It is not like vibe coding to get to an output as quickly as possible. These things are different because when I say get to an output as fast as possible with vibe coding, I mean it does not matter how it works. It doesn't matter if it's 20,000 lines of code that can be done in 12. As long as it works and it looks okay, that works. Okay, so AI assisted engineering is shipping software faster. Let's see. Basically, it will offload boilerplate tasks, boilerplate tasks, bug fixes, um, workflows, things like that. AI assistant engineer is going to use AI as a uses AI as a pair programmer. Now, to be fair, it's an extremely fast pair programmer, but it is a pair programmer. It gets you from A to Z very, very quickly. Unlike with vibe coding, you are just throwing in prompts and praying a Hail Mary. Now, is one better than the other? It depends on what you're trying to do. I would not vibe code my way into an enterprise application. There's been many instances where there have been huge security breaches that have left that said vibe coder in some legal hot water. So I wouldn't use vibe coding for that. It's great for MVPs. It's great for chilling and hanging out and just coding for fun. But I certainly would not use it to ship a final product. Um, AI assist engineering is really where it's at when you have to ship a nice, solid piece of software. Period. Um, but yeah, so that's the difference between vibe coding and AI assist engineering. You can see why vibe coding would give AI assist engineering a bad name, but they are two very different things. So, yeah, subscribe for more, and we will definitely chat soon.